So I made it tonight to tonight's campground. Let's take a look. I would say I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, but I'm actually in my friend's backyard. This house is way up there. Thought it'd be kind of a cool adventure. They have a lot of land back here, and I was like, hey, this would be a cool place to camp. Let's go ahead and try it out. So I have coffee and stuff. I don't know how I'm gonna make it. I really need to buy a table, and we'll just play it by ear and see how it goes. Other than that, I get this view all night, which is really cool. I didn't bring the dogs out tonight. Apparently there's a lot of coyotes out here and wildlife, so it's just me. First time without the dogs for a long time. So it is about 10 o'clock at night now. I'm starting to get worn out. Worked all day. Rushed to get out here. I was going to make some freeze-dried macaroni and cheese, but decided to go hang out with the friends at the house for a bit. They had some amazing potato soup. I mean, I couldn't pass it up. Right now I'm just in the 4Runner. Lights low. I never really film at night. I don't really have the best equipment for it. So hopefully this works out. It is very quiet out here, which I love. I did hear coyotes earlier. I'm not sure if you can hear them now. I'm not hearing them. All I hear is the insects. So, in the forecast for tonight, it should be cooling down a good amount. I think there might be some rain in the morning. I think there's like a 30 or 40% chance. But, alright, well, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna go watch a movie in here, and I will see you all in the morning. So, it's like 8:30, 9 a.m. We have a storm coming in. It's somewhat coming quick. The bug net did its job last night. Really happy about that. There's tons of moths out here. Yeah, other than that, it was a pretty good, relaxing time. Got a little bit of cleanup here, just condensation stuff to wipe down. tonight, me and the admins are meeting up to discuss the Omaha Toyota 4-wheel drive Halsey Fall Chili Campout in October. I think it's 19th, 20th. I'll have to look at the details. I can't remember. And we're going to have basically things to do for everyone out there, which I think is going to be really exciting. We're going to bring some new things this year. Not going to say what they are yet because we got to go over the details on them. But I will see you all in the next video.